Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video for you today. As you can see here, it's coming from Crye Precision. As you guys can see here, these are the Crye Precision knee pads, the combat ones. These are different. I think they have the honeycomb pattern, so you can take it off and push it in and out of your pants. I have a pair of, I believe, the G4s, so these will slip right in, which are super cool. Mainly got these because there were moments when I was at JRTC where I was like, hey, these would be really good to have. I think the older G3s, they have knee pads already built into them, but the G4s, you have to buy these to slip them in. But they look really good. They look really solid, very flexible, which is going to be super important for that knee protection. Traditionally, if I had knee pads, I would only put it down on my weak side leg and have my strong side free. Also because my strong side usually carries my pistol on the thigh side at least. But anyways, these look really comfortable, super excited to use them, and I will come back with a review later. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe, y'all.